Aw, finally sleep.
Ugh, what's all that noise? I was sleeping. You woke me up. So annoying. Ugh, I can't sleep. This is so unfair. Take that.
A tiny delinquent demon with spiky hair and sunglasses is chilling on the uvula like it's a hammock.
Yo, boss! Airway's 80% blocked tonight. Maximum chaos mode activated.
Protagonist is now drooling, snot bubble inflating and popping.
If you don't stop, I'll summon an exorcist!
Wait, it's not me! It's the vortex! I didn't do this! Please, you have to believe me! 3 main reasons you snore. Number 1, relax throat muscles. Number 2, block nasal passages. Number 3, sleep position.
3 main reasons you snore. Number 1, relaxed throat muscles causing airway narrowing. The air vibrates tissues like guitar strings. Number 2, nasal blockage, allergies or cold, will cause you to breathe through your mouth, which will lead to extra vibration. Number 3, bad sleep position makes the tongue fall back, then demon gets more room to party.
He's right. I'm just the vibration dealer. Problem solved. Sleep on your side, demon.
Zzz. Side sleeping arc. Unlocked.
You snore too? Is that bad? Check your sleep position tonight.
Tag someone who sounds like a motorcycle at 3 a.m. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Hell A, you curious about health? Hell A, wanna learn without the stress? Hell A, welcome to Cut to Clue.